Premiere Pro 2025 is coming soon, which means a new batch of updates. With this year, Adobe is putting a lot of focus on speed and efficiency, so today we're going to look at the new features and how they're going to change your experience inside of Premiere. Premiere Pro Beta has integrated an entirely new color management system that will automatically convert RAW or log clips to Rec. 709 or HDR. With dozens of RAW and log formats, the job of managing all this complex color science has fallen on video editors. So Adobe is making it simple to throw nearly any RAW or log format into a timeline and see great footage without you needing to do anything. But if we open up the beta version of Premiere and bring in our RAW clip, you can see that Premiere will automatically recognize the exact color space that it was shot in. So you won't have to worry about conversion LUTs anymore. And this will work with every log format from any camera. If you need to tag the source format yourself, you can override it by highlighting all your media from the camera, right-click, tap Modify, Color, then override media color space to change it to your preferred format. The entire color system revolves around 6 simple presets available in sequence settings or in the settings tab in Lumetri. You have the options for 3 wide gamut presets that give you a generational quality update. These presets move you from working in Rec. 709 to working in wide gamut color space, so Premiere can transform, color correct, and display your footage, taking advantage of all that glorious RAW and log color data in your media. I've always said that the best tools are the ones that get out of your way and let you be creative, which means simplifying the process so you aren't slowed down by the technical, including the amount of keystrokes and mouse clicks you need to perform a specific task. And in continuing to find those solutions, the Premiere Pro team has created the new Properties panel, which will place the most important context-sensitive controls for adjusting video, audio, graphics, and captions all under one panel with significantly less mouse travel and fewer panels to worry about, making Premiere a lot easier for beginners to learn. And for the first time in Premiere, you will have the option to modify multiple assets at the same time without the need to copy and paste any attributes, making for a much faster workflow. They've also integrated the crop tool inside the program monitor. Previously, you had to find the crop effect, add it to your clip, find the effect controls panel, and make your adjustments. This current version of Premiere will have that feature a click away, making it much more accessible to any user. If you can't tell already, the Premiere Pro team has been listening to all of our feedback and have put a heavy focus on performance and efficiency. So improvements have been made to make playback faster, UI updates more immediate, giving a sharper editing experience. This new version of Premiere has increased hardware acceleration, faster playback for codecs like AVC, HEVC, ProRes exports that are now 3 times faster, and more native support for more formats, which will import clips faster so you can start editing sooner. On top of all that, Premiere has been given a fresh new design with 2 dark modes, a light mode, and high contrast mode with cleaner fonts for better legibility, and redesigned controls and widgets to make this software even more friendly for people with accessibility needs. So once again, it's a strong step forward for what will only keep getting better with future updates. But that's it for today, and if you have a feature that you're looking forward to most, feel free to drop that in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe because Venus is the only planet that spins clockwise. I don't know why. What's that all about?